Hi, I'm Margie. I hope you enjoy this little video we've produced.
Wi-Fi street lamps with 5G technology is causing insomnia, nosebleeds and stillbirths. In Gateshead, Northern England, Mike Steele has been speaking out about a sudden increase in health problems that he believes are related to LED street lamps that emit 5G radiation. A local resident in Gateshead, Mark Steele, is reported to be a member of an organization that describes itself as the world's largest technical professional organization dedicated to advancing technology for the benefit of humanity, known as IEEE. Doing his best to raise awareness on the LED street lamps, installed in 2016, he says that since they were installed, many people have suffered from symptoms such as nosebleeds and insomnia, as well as other neurological problems. And as if that was not enough, many women, including 3 in his circle of friends, have lost babies, one of them being born with severe defects, who sadly only survived for a few hours after birth. Steele reportedly commented,
"We are seeing babies dying in the womb, as these transmitters are situated outside people's bedroom windows. It's a humanitarian crisis."
Gateshead Council, who say that health risks are not connected to their street lights, posted on Facebook decrying the threat of EMF radiation, stating,
"Certain individuals are frightening local people with false stories."
Frightening? Or awaking people? They stated that there was no scientific basis or credible evidence to support these claims. The government also claimed that the LED streetlights do not operate on the 5G network. But Mr. Steele explained that the transmitter operates at 868 to 870 MHz, which is a specific 5G spectrum. He believes that the entire city has been put at risk by the officials of Gateshead by secretly running a test run of 5G technology in the area. It is unconfirmed yet whether this is in fact true. Whilst the Gateshead officials are trying to stop any concerns, residents like Mr. Steele will carry on sounding the alarm about this matter, and there are many other concerns with the introduction of the 5G network. Professor Ulrich Warnke, from the University of Saarland, agrees that LED streetlights have the potential to cause harm. He believes that EMF radiation
causes disruption to the body's nitrogen monoxide system, which keeps cells healthy and controls gene expression.
Warnke is not the only person to raise this concern. There are many health agencies who have the same alarm bells ringing to the potential dangers of EMF radiation, but who is listening? The World Health Organization warned us in 2011 that EMF radiation was possibly carcinogenic to humans, and again at the end of 2017. The California Department of Public Health made the same statement. They warned about cell phones' potential link to brain cancer. The European Academy for Environmental Medicine are also one of many who say EMF radiation is linked to cancer, and many other conditions, including insomnia. Yet there is still whole-scale denial that people are at risk, even with the growing evidence about the dangers of electromagnetic radiation.
Did you enjoy that? We hope so, because here at Life Energy Designs we want to educate you so that you can live the best possible life that you can. Any feedback or anything that you want to say to us, we would love to hear from you. Take care.